Hey, how's it going, everybody? In today's episode, we're going to go through how to navigate between photos in Lightroom and grid view. The first way, it's going to be the really simplest way that you're going to do it, is you can use your left and your right keyboard arrows and your down and your up keyboard arrows to quickly navigate around the page there in your thumbnails. The other way that you can do it is if you go up here to the library menu and you go down here, you'll see there's the previously selected photo and the next selected photo, and you can reach those both also with keyboard shortcut commands, controller command left, controller command right. So that's going to get you through there. And then we also have the navigate icons here. You can see if you click those, you'll go left or right throughout your photos. Now, one thing you might want to know is that if you don't see these here in your library menu toolbar, what you do is you click that little arrow and then you make sure that navigate's selected. If it's not selected, you won't see those two arrows. So once you've got that in there, you can see there's some other options here that we'll go over time. Once you've got those there, you can just quickly go through there. I find for me, the easiest way to navigate is using my up and down and, left, right, up, down arrows. Gets me there quickest, and that's what I use. So if you guys found some value here and you want to learn a little bit more about how to show the photos in the grid view, go ahead and click the little card that pops up on the top up here, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.